Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making small bun filled with chicken. Take lukewarm milk in a jug, add active dry yeast and sugar, give it a stir and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until the yeast become foamy in texture, just like that. You can use a stand mixer to do this bun, but I'm using a regular bowl, mixing by hand and wooden spoon. So all-purpose flour and salt in my large bowl. I'm just going to use my wooden spoon to mix them all. Then I'm going to add butter at room temperature. Then add the yeast mixture and give it a mix until turn into a dough. We don't need to mix too much for this dough. Now a few times mix by hand until you get this and cover with a plastic wrap or a kitchen towel, and this has to rise for about 45 minutes to an hour until it turns into double in size. And my dough has been risen. Put it on a side and let me show you the filling. I'm using samosa filling. Last time when I posted the video, I have used spring roll fillings, but today I'm using samosa filling. You can do any filling of your choice. Divide the dough. You can do 8, you can do 10 pieces, you can do even 12 pieces. You can do as small as big as you want. Now, try to flat the dough and create like a bowl shape, just almost like we filled dal puri. And now we are going to fill in with the chicken filling and add as much as you can, just until you are able to close it. Try to press down the filling so you can add more. And then I'm using my fingertips to, with the help of my fingertips, try to press all the edges together, bring them together so that there is no holes left behind as you bake. The filling comes out. So just like that, press all the edges. You don't need to remove any extra, just put them back in and the bun is ready. And now you can see. Now arrange on a baking tray. Take a large baking tray lined with parchment paper and arrange the bun, and then brush with egg wash. If you don't eat egg, you can just brush with whole milk, liquid milk, and sprinkle with sesame seeds. Cover, let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes, and bake in a 425-degree Fahrenheit oven, preheated. And you can see the bun gonna be like this golden brown. Thanks for watching. It's gonna take 45 minutes to an hour to bake. For now, bye bye.